Hello and welcome to another video. Last week there was a great sale going on Amazon on electronic devices. Basically I wanted some storage. So I bought some of them. But I'm not going to talk about all these. Instead maybe I will show this one. But mainly I will be discussing this. I just received it yesterday. I ordered it around 20 days ago and I got it yesterday from US. So let's see. These two you already know about NVMe M.2 drives, which are basically the faster drives in the market, but this version is not the fastest one. This one is Gen 3. The latest version is Gen 4. So what's inside this box? I will show you quickly. This size of a hard drive, literally a size of a finger. So it has some specific advantages over hard disk, traditional hard drives. Traditional hard drives have mechanical motors which rotate the disk and your data gets processed. Basically these three are same. These three are all NVMe drives. If they are in the box, you should not be worried about getting them dropped because they are electronic components, so there is nothing to get damaged and they are very lightweight. So gravity plays its part. So about this one is external SSD drive, same like external hard drives. So it's almost the same size or maybe smaller one. Let's open the box. So here is the hard disk. Sorry, SSD. This one you can see it's thick, but it's a magnetic compartment. It has some cable, some converter, and this is the SSD. It has one USB-C drive input. It has 5 Mbps of read and write speed limit. So this is it for this one. I'm not going to talk about it, but what I want to see is what's inside that envelope. Okay, before I open this one, I should tell you about some background story why I'm making this video. Actually, I was looking for some storage. So I found one specific storage, okay, which was really cheap. The other SSD and NVMe drive for 1 terabyte cost around 300 dirhams at the time of sale, but this one cost around 70 dirhams. 70 dirham will be converted into like $25, something like this. So for $25, 1 terabyte of storage, I thought that it's really a good deal, but it was like USB 2.0 version, so I thought that maybe it's an old version. Then what happened after I ordered this one, so you know the cookies in the internet and all these stuff, so I was receiving some suggestions for the similar and cheaper storage in AliExpress and other Chinese website. So I look up into YouTube and I saw that most of these, not most, like all of these cheap drives are fake. They are manipulated software wise and hardware wise to make it shown up to the level of the storage of like 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte or up to 8 terabyte, but in reality they are fake. They are totally fake, and some of the time what happens that you will get some viruses or malware in these drives. When you plug into your computer, all of your data gets corrupted or deleted or encrypted. It's happening. So what I did, I just one of these SSD I installed in my PC right now. I removed my primary hard disk or primary operating system drive and any other disk, and I just installed it, the new Windows from USB. I did not activate it till now. So I will see if I will plug it in and I will have some problem or not. Let's open it up now. And here is 1 terabyte USB drive, no logo or anything, but it's written something like waterproof thumb pen drive, 1 terabyte silver. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Wow, very nice packing for 1 terabyte USB drive. Okay, as you can see, I can see some of the scratches at the input, so maybe it's used or returned or something like this. Actually, I did not want to get it automatically started, but it started and there are some folders in it. So let's copy some files. Okay, one more interesting thing. Actually showing in computer 2 terabyte. I ordered 1 terabyte and it came 2 terabyte. You can see this space 2 terabyte. and the copying speed is 4 Mbps per second. Okay, the thing is and it's keep dropping to 0 and then going in kbs and then mbs again. So the thing is, let's see if this one keeps the data or not, because it's jumping to 0 mbps again and again and again and again. 111 GB, it's taking around 6 hours and 30 minutes, but I don't think that this is going to complete. So as expected, what happened was that the testing failed and it stopped responding. My PC stopped responding. I had to restart it physically, and I couldn't find I couldn't show you any result which was there. So anyways, what else I found is that my computer got some malware which was encrypting my files, normal files, not the operating system files like JPEG or any video files, into some secure drive which I was unable to access. And when I tried to format the USB from any other system, it's not going away, it's infecting other PCs also, which means that even if you forward this USB, this malware will be there in the firmware, I think. So means you cannot delete it, or you cannot get rid of it easily, and the USB is unusable, and it was like you will end up resulting losing your data. So my suggestion is to avoid any of these cheap USBs wherever you find, regardless of Amazon, eBay, or anywhere you find, and spend on your storage. Secondly, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, put it in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.